Hello, Barry Skeen, Brand Director from QuickSilver Sound Architects, and today we're going to do a very short and stark video of a Jaguar F Type four-wheel drive V8. We're going to do a clip of it before and a clip of it after with our system on it and show the difference. Let's get into it. Now let's listen to what it sounds like with a QuickSilver Sound Architects system with unique carbon tips on the back, Mandrel bent stainless steel with valve functionality that you can control. Valves open. Valve shut. Valves open. And what do you think of that? If you're interested in one of these systems on your amazing and very, very dashing looking F-Type, then get to quicksilverexhaust.com where you can buy directly, or you can use our dealer locator and find an approved dealer near you that can supply and fit the system for you. If you like what you see and you want to hear more great videos of cars sounding a hell of a lot better with our QuickSilver systems on the back, then subscribe and hit the bell. We upload every week, and I will look forward to seeing you on the next one.